All right. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. My name is Solomon Agozo. Today is Saturday. I've already posted my Saturday yesterday. Friday didn't go well. Only the 18 drop on the event. And 3368, I was looking for addition of 101. And I think in the video I even made mention of it. That addition 101 will drop. So either 3368 or the 3962 addition 101, but it went for 1883 addition of 101. The same thing happened on Thursday. You see, I was looking for, I said addition 73 would definitely drop. So 1162, and it went for 2944. So the addition is working, but the plan is not dropping. But we hope things will get better very soon. So I'm here again with Aseda. I need to travel this morning, and I'll be back late. So as I promised you, I work throughout the night to get my Aseda plan available before I leave. So if you see me this morning, again, it is because of that I'm here with my Aseda plan. So the Aseda plan is a transfer from Lucky Tuesday 2015 to 2016, and then currently Aseda is doing the same thing from 2024 to 2026. So I want to take you through very nice move, and I hope it will work out. Aseda has been very tough, so I'm researching a lot to see if things will work out for Aseda. All right, so let's see something. 2014 to 2016 rather. So you see this packing. You see 86, 28, 86 with 28 under it. Then you see this number. Two numbers addition 54, 38, 16. So this packing 86, 28 packed. Then you see 86, 16. This is addition of what? 54. So when you come here, Aseda, you see 45, 21 packed. 45, 21 packed. Then you see 16, 38. You see, so the Tuesday, it is what? 38 and 16. You see 38 over here, 16 here. But here when you come, 16 rather came here. And then 38 is here. So that tells you something vice versa is happening already. So 38, 16. Then here is 16, 38, 16, 38. This is packing. And this is packing. Alright. So counting with this 21, and that is packed. 21 45, that is packed there. The 21 from the 45 will give you 24. You see the 41. The 21 from the 45 will give you what? 24. You see. So come and count from where the 86 and 28 are packed. You see the 24 here. You see. So the Aseda 45 and 21, the difference. So 21 from the 45 will give you what? 24. So you count to the Tuesday and count and come and see the 24 over here. So count to the Tuesday to the 86 and 28 packing. The 28 from the 86 will give you 58. So count where Aseda is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or so. You come and see your 58 over here. You see. So the difference of the Aseda packing will shift to Tuesday. You see. And the Tuesday 86, 28 difference will also give 58, and that 58 will shift to what? Aseda. Very excellent. So from there, from this 24, counting with, you have to search for addition of what? 86. You see, because this 28 and the 58 over here, addition of what? 86, and the 21. You see, and the 24 are also addition of what? 45. So we are searching for addition 86 and addition of 45. So what will you do? Pick this number, the addition 54 figures, the 38 and 16, and here it was 16, 38. Pick this one. You see, 38, pick it. You see, if you pick it, subtract it also from the 86. From this 86, you'll be getting 48. So count to the Aseda. Counting with, we come and see 89. And the 48 minus of 2 will drop under it. The Tuesday 38 over here 38 and 16. Pick the 38. Subtracting from this 86, you'll be getting 48. That 48 minus of 2 will give you 46. So count to the Aseda. You come and see this your 89, then the 48 will go minus 2 and go under it. It will meet a certain number. So the number here is 72. So let's go to the Aseda one too. You see, when you come here, the 16 and then the 38, come and subtract the 16 over here from the 45. 16 over here from the 45, you're getting 29. So that 29 also from minus of 2 will give you 27. So count from this 24. You come here to the Tuesday, you see the 89 drop, then the 27 will be under it exactly. You see, it will meet a certain 24. It is not this 24. That 24 represents the 72 that you saw at Aseda. So here it is what? The 24. So come to the Aseda. You realize that from the parking over here, from this particular 89, 46 and 72, counting the 72, the 72 come and counter to 27 and meet 45. Then you come and see 86. You see, this number will come and counter to meet 45. Then you come and see 86. So when you come here, the 24 over here will also come and counterpart. Then it will meet 86. Then you come and see 45. You see, so it is vice versa. So the 45 86 over here, and then here 86 45. You see, very well. So the 24 counterpart to 69 to meet 86, followed by 45. Here the 72 counterpart to 27 to meet 45. Then you come and see 86. All right. So let's see something. Now the difference between this 24, which is the difference between 28 and 86. Then 28 is the difference is what? This 58. And we said that 21 and then 45, the difference is what? 24. And here is the 24. So that 24 and then this 58, the difference is what? 34. It will be 34. So from this particular pattern over here, you should come and mix your 34 here. So you come to Aseda to, you come and meet the 34 here. You see? Alright. So when you come and meet the 34, counting, you come and mark this parking. It is 44, 64. Here, 44, 64 here. You see? But here when you come, it is what? Single 219. I will explain why. Aseda it will be single 219. I will explain why. So when you are done, counting with, you come and see the 34 will come back. The difference between 24 and 24, 58, the 34 will come back again. So here is your 34 at Aseda. You see? So when you are done, since 38 from the 86 is 48, and the 48 minus 2 is the 46 you came to see under the 89 at Aseda. You see? Then you came to the Aseda here. 16 from this 45 is 29. The 29 minus of 2 is the 27 you saw under the 89 right here. It means that the 38 and the 48 are also what? Addition of what? 86. And then the 16 and the 29 are also addition of what? 45. So it simply means that come and pick your 38 and then go and do plus of 2 of the number under 89, which is 46. It will give you 38, 48, addition of what? 86. Then you come and pick Aseda 16 over here and go and pick the number under Tuesday 89, which is 27, plus of 2. It will give you 29. So 29 and the 16 also give you addition of what? 45. So you realize that when the 34 drop over here at Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, the 86, that 86 over here, the 86 over here will move straight and go to machine last bus. Repeat it. The 86 over here will move straight and go to machine over here. Repeat it. So when you come to the Aseda 2, this 45 over here will move straight to machine last bus. You see the 45 over here will move straight to machine last bus. Once I repeat it. Repeat it. Alright, repeat it. So when you repeat it, you realize that after you repeat it, this 38 became banker. You see, 38 became banker. So you just go and do plus of 2 of the number under the 89 over here, which is 48. And they are too sure. You see, so when we are done the following week, then you go and pick the number under the 28 again. and come and pick the 58 over here, and they also come addition of 86. So addition 86 will drop, followed by addition of 86. So it means that this week addition 45 will drop, followed by addition 45 next week. So this 38 is 1 to 90. Then you go and add the 48 to it to give you addition of what? 86. So this week, this 16 is 1 to 90. 16 is 1 to 90. So you just go and pick, do plus 2 of the number under 89 here, which is 27 plus 1 plus 2 is what? 29. So 1629 is my too sure for what? I see that 1629 is too sure. Because after that, then this 21 and then this 24, they will also be too sure the next week. So tomorrow addition 45 is compulsory to drop. Then if you drop the following week, we go and scatter the 21, 24. So tomorrow 16, 29 is the two direct. Now that is the too sure. So see, so since there is 24 here, which met the 27 over here, 89 over here, that 24 is the number that counterpart to 69. So counting the 69 came to drop and repeat. Go and bring the 24 back. Compulsory. You see, you have 24 here. It came to counter 69. This 69 moved and came to repeat. You see, so bring the 24 back. So here it is 72. You see, and it came to counter to what? 27. So this 27 came back. You see, and repeated. The 27 came back and repeated. So counter it back to the 72. 72 is 1 to 90. So we have three numbers. Now, then I said you should mark these numbers over here. 44, 62. And then here it is also 72, 19. Alright. So this 64 was the number that moved to come and drop. You see, before the 69 came and directly repeated. You see, so here too, this 19 over here was the number that came to drop. Then the 27 moved and then repeated. You see, so the 72 on top and the 44 on top is like the 72 from 71 is the 69 that you saw over here that came to drop and repeated, and the 72 came. You see, the 72 on top of the 19 is the 72 from 71 is the 69 we saw over here. So if the 69 move and drop and repeat, the 72 came. So the 44 2 on top of the 64, that 44 2 from 71 will give you the 27 that drop and repeated. Therefore, you have to move the 44. Since the 72 over the move and came here, go and move the 44 and bring it here. So 4 numbers. You see. Then where the parking is, the 44, 64 parking is. Follow week you saw 10 here. Then followed by what? 59. So here where the single 219 is, you saw 59 rather, followed by 10. So you see they are also interchanging. 10, 59, and then here 59, 10. So if you saw 10 on the line over here, if you saw 10 on the line here, go and add 59 to the numbers. So that is it. So Aseda Lotto, my banker is 16. My two share is 1629. 16 and 1629. Then this one too is another two show. 44, 72 is also another two show. You see, then this is the 5 numbers. 16, 29, 44, 72, 59. 16, 29, 44, 72, 59. My best trade direct is what? 16, 29, 72. This is my best 3 numbers. 16, 29, 72. If you want 4 numbers, 16, 29, 44, 72. This is my best 4 numbers. But if you want trade short tomorrow, 16, 29, 72. 16, 29, 72. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. I'm blessed.